Assalamu alaikum. I am Hafsa Rahman, and today the topic of my presentation is freshwater biome. First of all, I would like to tell you that what is a freshwater biome? Freshwater biomes are communities of animals and plants in regions with water with less than 1% salt concentration. Freshwater regions can be found on every single continent and cover about one-fifth of the world. Freshwater biomes are closely linked to the soils and biotic components of the terrestrial biome through which they pass or in which they are situated. Now we'll discuss the characteristics of freshwater biome. The particular characteristics of a freshwater biome are also influenced by the patterns and speed of water flow and the climate to which the biome is exposed. Another characteristic is temperature. The temperature of freshwater biome ranges from 65 degree Fahrenheit to 75 degree Fahrenheit in the summer, and in winter it is 35 degree Fahrenheit to 45 degree Fahrenheit. Freshwater biome consists of four zones: littoral zone, limnatic zone, profundal zone, and benthic zone. The first one, littoral zone, is shallow. It means it is close to the shore. It consists of rooted and floating plants. The other zone is limnatic zone. लिम्नेटिक जोन जो है वो शोर के करीब नहीं होता, दूर होता है और डीप भी होता है, लेकिन वहाँ पर लाइट भी आ सकती है और फोटोसिंथेसिस का प्रोसेस भी हो सकता है और वहाँ पे फूड भी प्रोड्यूस हो सकता है और ऑक्सीजन भी होती है। जो प्रोफंडल जोन होता है वो डीप होता है और इट इज़ टू डार्क फॉर फोटोसिंथेसिस। ऑक्सीजन लेवल भी वहाँ पर लो होता है एंड इट इज़ इनहेबिटेड बाय फिश अडेप्टेड टू कूल डार्क वाटर। बेंथिक जोन जो होता है वो बॉटम ऑफ लेक में होता है। इट इज इनहेबिटेड बाय ऑर्गेनिजम्स दैट कैन टॉलरेट cool temperatures and low oxygen levels. Now we'll discuss types of freshwater biome. The first type is wetlands. Wetland is an area that is made up of standing water. It can be thought of as land that is saturated with water. This includes swamps, bogs, marshes, floodplain, etc. They can be found throughout the world and are often located near large bodies of water like lakes and rivers. They are also help to purify water. The other one is streams and rivers. The primary characteristic distinguishing streams and rivers from other bodies of water is flowing water. The term stream can be used to describe any naturally flowing water. Stream flow is a term describing the general water flow in streams. Very large streams are referred to as rivers. It means कि जो stream होती है वो कोई भी flowing water होता है वो stream कहलाता है, लेकिन अगर stream बहुत बड़ी हो तो वो rivers कहलाती है. A common trait all healthy streams and rivers share is nurturing diverse ecosystems. The other type is lakes and ponds. Some ponds come and go, but some are around for years. A lake or pond is generally disconnected from other water sources, so not all types of plants and animals can survive in this particular freshwater biome. They are found in all types of environments and continents. They range in size from just a few square meters to thousands of square kilometers. Now we'll discuss the plants which are present in freshwater biome. Because freshwater biome provide oxygen thoroughly for photosynthesis and food for animals in this biome. The first plant is water lily. Most species of water lilies have rounded, variously notched, waxy coated leaves on long stalks that contain many air spaces and float in white freshwater habitats. The stalks arises from thick, fleshy, creeping underwater stems that are buried in the mud. The other plant is algae. The body of algae is relatively simple unicellular or multicellular thallus. Cells are covered by a rigid cellular cell wall. The presence of holdfast stipe and lamina. Hold fast is for attachment. Stipe forms the axis and lamina serves as the leaf-like photosynthetic part. The other plant is the duckweed, and related genera of the duckweed family, Limnaceae, are the smallest flowering plants known. Individual plants consist of a single flat oval leaf no more than one-fourth of an inch long that floats on the surface of still-moving ponds, lakes, and sloughs. Some animals that can be found in a freshwater biome are trout, catfish, and other invertebrates. The main animal is zooplankton in the sea. Zooplankton are animal-like organisms that float and drift on the ocean surface. Zooplankton may vary in size from jellyfish to microorganisms. Most are microorganisms. Due to increase in phytoplankton, food for zooplankton. The other animal is river otter. River otter is webbed behind paws that are smaller and rounder than sea otters. Front paws used for walking, crawling. They eat fish, snails, and clams. This map shows that where are freshwater biome located. The light blue lines in this map represent most of the rivers all around the world. As you can see, mostly all the continents have rivers in them. The teal colored dots represent the lakes and ponds around the world. Freshwater biome is facing many problems. The threats which are to the freshwater biome are pollution. Free radicals that form in the air can cause difficulty in growth for both animals and plants. Human waste and chemicals are also cases of pollution that also affect the plants and animals living in freshwater biome. जितनी भी पोल्यूशन इंडस्ट्री से भी हो रही है और ह्यूमन भी अपना वेस्ट मटेरियल रिवर्स में डाल रहे हैं, लेक्स में डाल रहे हैं, तो वो लेक को पोल्यूट कर रहा है और उस वजह से जो हमारे फ्रेश वाटर बायोम है वो खराब हो रहा है. Now we'll discuss that how can we protect the freshwater biome. Here are a few ways that help to protect the freshwater biome. Use less water for the environment, like when shopping for toilets, bathtubs, showers, shower head, and turn off the water when brushing your teeth. Recycling is also a great way to help protect the freshwater biome since you are reusing products and keeping them out of these water sources. रिसाइकलिंग भी बहुत ज़रूरी है क्योंकि जब हम चीज़ों को रिसाइकिल करते रहेंगे तो वो वेस्ट मटेरियल बनने से बचेंगी और इस तरह हमारा जो फ्रेश वाटर बायोम है और वैसे भी जो हमारा एनवायरनमेंट है वो पोल्यूशन से बचेगा. So that's all for today. Thank you.